Yeah, so when we arrived, it turned out that we not only had these 3 trees, but a tree had fallen over in the front room over here. So from what we understand, this one happened first. So a tree went through it, went through the roof. She was in the living room at the time, or in the kitchen. Later on that evening, these 3 trees went through her living room as she was in the garage. So luckily nobody was hurt, which is amazing for a story of this magnitude. 4 trees on one home within hours of each other. So, we're just thankful that the homeowner was safe.